All right, guys. Here has another great product by Mounted. They sent me this nice single mounted arm desk mount with gas spring. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like inside. Let's see. All right. Of course, it has instructions. Very nicely packaged, as you can see. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to take everything out and try to assemble it. Let's see. There's everything comes in it. All right. Got to put together. It didn't take me too long. It comes with all the hardware you need. It also comes in with the hardware in case you want to hard mount it with a grommet and all that good stuff. But I'm using a computer stand here to show you how I did it. I use that. I use a bit smaller of a monitor because that's what I had on hand to put up right now. So just to see the ease of use, it moves around. You can adjust everything. It's adjustable with this Allen key and make it tighter. You can release this monitor and put it on and off by this tab thing. You can see it's very easy to adjust. Very easy. You can adjust, you can tilt it. It's very well made. And you can run the cables. I don't have no cables right now, but you can run the cables through this piece here, down here, and then here. So you can move it around real easy. You can lift it up. Very nice. I like it. Very cool. It can take up to, bigger monitors. It says 13 to 32 inch monitors, up to 20 pounds. It's very cool. As usual, Mounted makes some really good quality stuff here. Like I said, it looked like a lot when I first opened the box, but it really did not take me long. And like I said, I'm using the clamp mount here to install it, and you can run the cables through here. Very well made. I've been wanting one of these mounted arms for a while, but I just didn't know what I was going to use it for because my main desk is a executive desk. You see how thick it is, so I couldn't use it for that. So I went ahead and got it. This is going to be like a workstation. But yeah, this is very easy to adjust. I need to put the wheel locks on, but you can put it wherever you want. You can adjust the tension to make it tighter so it stays in place, or you want to make it easier to move around. So, and it's nice. I like it. Eventually, I was going to get a dual. They also have dual arm mounts. So make sure you check it out. I'm definitely recommending this. So the monitor does not come with it. I did want to demonstrate one more thing on this because it could be important. It's very easy. So in order to move things, but just show you how easy it is to remove this monitor. You just pull this tab and lift, and it disconnects like right there. So if you need to move things around in a hurry, it's easy to put it right back on, slides into place, locks in on that little tab. But another good feature, I know some don't do that. So just another added plus.